bus. Hello, please get on the bus. Please choose a...
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks. Where should I...
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks. Next stop, the supermarket. Which path do you want to take? You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Yay! It's shopping time! Welcome! Here's the shopping list for today.
Some of your items aren't paid for yet.
You can check out now. Is there anything else you want to buy? Put the items here. I bought everything I want. Thank you. Off we go to the kindergarten. You have to put the car in gear. Hello, baby bus. Hello, please get on the bus.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
This is kindergarten.
Hi, kids. Today, let's do some crafts together. Hooray! Handcrafting time! First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. At last, finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. Snack time. Let's go have some snacks. It's time for a snack.
Okay.
everyone safely take the kids home. Bye, Baby Bus!